Good morning, everyone. When the entire world was facing the challenge of COVID-19, an unknown person from Behraij district came to an popular known platform known as YouTube for showing his talent and providing the knowledge to all the teenagers in and helping them in their geography chapters. So earlier the geography was very difficult for me. I used to just learn all the back answers, back exercise of the chapters and give the exams. But as I reached class ninth, so my teacher said that this time the exam will be from inside the book and anything could be asked inside the book. At that time I got very feared that I was thinking that how I will learn the geography and how I will understand it. So I started reading the chapters, but nothing worked. And after that, I searched on YouTube. Then also, I didn't get any kind of such a good response that I wanted. So I was fed up doing all the various things. And finally, after searching hundreds of times, I came to a channel known as Career Exams. Uh, and there I got many videos for class ninth ICSE geography. So I watched two or three videos and I got very happy because I was able to understand all the chapters which I had watched in a single time, and I had understand all the things without just opening the book. I could answer anything from the chapter, and I was very happy after watching all the videos. And this all is because of Mr. Madan Mohan sir. I would like to thank you him very much. He is providing the video lectures for ICSE as well as CBSE board students, so all can get a benefit of that. And he is besides providing the video lectures, he is studying for his own exams also. So it's a kind of that fascinating thing that a person is studying for his own exams and providing the videos for various kinds of students and helping them so that their study won't also be stuck. So hats off to you, Madan Mohan sir, and thank you for providing the videos and helping us. When I had firstly visited the channel had only 5 to 10 subscribers, and I was shocked that the channel had only 5 to 10 subscribers, and now the channel has crossed up to 3K subscribers in less than a year. That's a kind of appreciation for Madan Mohan sir. It's all is because of the hard work of Madan Mohan sir, and because of God grace, the channel has crossed the 3K subscribers and the channel has started its monetization. So I would like to congratulate Madan Mohan sir for its big achievement.
थैंक यू कैडेट एग्ज़ाम। मैं आपकी बहुत पूरी वीडियोस देखता हूँ, अपनी ज्योग्राफी की, पूरी नहीं अपनी ज्योग्राफी की देखता हूँ, मुझे समझ में आता है, पूरी अच्छे से समझ में आता है, और जो डाउट रहता है आप बता भी देते हो। थैंक यू फॉर दिस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Being a student, I would prefer Career Exam YouTube channel for study purpose, where our honorable teacher Sir Madan Mohan Upadhyay teach in all best possible ways with all his efforts. Thank you.
It's me, Satyam Raj, Standard 9 from Mohammedanj. Today it's me here to put some delighted words on the channel named Career Exam, who thereby has been made only to help the students, teenagers in various subjects including geography, grammar, science, and also some humorous notes that the sir usually provide in the middle to make the teaching, to keep the teaching more precise, interesting. The fact is that it is the teacher that makes the difference, not the classroom. And I owe to my favorite teacher, Mr. Madan Mohan sir, who has started the channel to help the students in all the possible ways he could. I usually look to the geography subjects in this channel uh, because it's me much fascinated towards the geography, that is the earth. And if the fact is that the earth does not belong to us, but we belong to earth. Since we belong to it, we must have some addictions, curiosity to it. This is how the Mr. Madan Mohan sir encourages us to learn more and more geography. And initially, I was in great search of such a geography classes only. And by the time then, my eyes sprinkles strikes to this channel, and whereby the sir teaches us with so much simplicity, integrity, and love that it touches to my heart, and the knowledge which Sir gives really sticks to my mind. And till now, I can give the answer to those questions really, and it really sticks to my minds without any fail and error. And it's also a kind of appreciation to Sir also, that on one side he preparing himself preparing himself in his exams, and the other side is providing us with by uploading the videos on YouTube. It's really thankful to and appreciations to him. and these channels means a lot to me. Really, this channel means a lot to me, as the education means to have man making, character making, and the lifelong assimilations, ideas, and etc. At the first time, the sir asked, "Do you want to be a member of this family?" Really, I'm glad to be a member of this family. And I'll ask you all others who is not yet have visited this channel, please visit this channel and get all the basic knowledge provided. Really, it's very acknowledgement, and I'm really thankful to him. uh, I'm really fortunate to be the member of this family. Do you want to be a fortunate man? So if you like to be, visit this channel. And a very sad view is that, irony is that, in corona season, but everyone need to push and kick start to their lives. And I owe to my favorite teacher, Mr. Madan Mohan sir, to for enriching me with the knowledge of the geography, with unflinching support, and unwearying patience. I'm really thankful to you. Thankful, sir. Thank you.
Hello guys, it's me Samaira from Bahraich City, and today I am going to express my views about a very amazing and knowledgeable YouTube channel, Career Exams. It's a very helpful and knowledgeable channel, and if you are a student, you must have to watch this channel. If you are seeking problem in history, civics, geography or grammar, you must have to watch this, cause there my favorite teacher Mohan sir explain all subjects in a very comedian and amazing way, and clear your doubts very carefully. So watch this channel if you are facing problem in any of these subjects. Before watching Career Exams, I also face problem in civics, cause civics bored me a lot, and I think civics was a very boring subject. But after watching this channel, my mind was changed, cause I think that civics is a very interesting subject, and that because of Mohan sir. I want to thank Career Exams and Mohan sir for help me a lot.
मेरा नाम अक्षत सराफ है और मैं 9th क्लास में हूँ। तो ये करियर एग्ज़ाम जो चैनल है, ये यूट्यूब चैनल बहुत यूज़फुल चैनल है, क्योंकि इसके पहले मेरे को ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था, और जब से मैं इस चैनल को फॉलो करना चालू किया हूँ, मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट लगने लग गया ज्योग्राफी सब्जेक्ट में। और इसके साथ जो सर जिस तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं, मतलब हर छोटा छोटा कॉन्सेप्ट को समझाते हैं, वो काफ़ी यूज़फुल है। कि कई बार मतलब टीचर लोग को लगता है कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट इस बच्चा को समझ में आ जाएगा बिकॉज वी फाइंड इट ईजी, लेकिन ऐसा होता नहीं है। बिकॉज हर बच्चा का अपना नेगेटिव्स, मतलब उसको अपना मतलब ख़राब पॉइंट होता है। तो अगर वो बच्चा, मतलब कोई टीचर जो अगर हर पॉइंट आसानी धीरे धीरे समझाए, तो एक तो सब जो जिसको आता है उसका रिवीजन भी हो जाता है, और जिसको नहीं आता है उसके लिए भी अच्छा है। अच्छा, और सर ये सब कुछ अनसेल्फिशली, मतलब विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट कर रहे हैं। जैसे कि हमारे सब कोई ज्योग्राफी के लिए मेरे को तो नहीं लगता कि कोई पेरेंट्स ट्यूशन रखना चाहेंगे, लेकिन तभी भी ये जो चैनल है बहुत हेल्पफुल है। और मैं सबको रेकमेंड करूँगा कि इसको सब्सक्राइब करें और रेगुलरली फॉलो करें, तो आपका ज्योग्राफी में बहुत अच्छा मार्क्स आएगा।
As a student, I would like to prefer Career Exams. It gives a great platform for those who wants to prepare for any kind of competitive exams. Thank you, Madan sir, for creating such a great platform of education for us. I will appreciate your hard work, your determination, and for all the things you did for us. Thank you.
करियर एग्ज़ाम पे सर हमें जो है काफ़ी मदद मिली जो है, और सर के मार्गदर्शन में हमें ज्योग्राफी हमारी बहुत ही बेहतर हुई जो है। और सर बहुत ही अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, जिसकी तारीफ़ करने के लिए हमारे पास शब्द नहीं है। धन्यवाद सर।
Career Exams. This channel really helped me a lot in gaining more and more knowledges with a clear concept. So, thank you so much for all the videos. I really like to admire your way, the way you tackle with our problems, with our questions. Thank you so much. Thank you.
जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि लॉकडाउन की वजह से कोचिंग स्कूल्स वगैरह बंद हैं, सभी की पढ़ाई बाधित है। तो ऐसे में ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई करने का बड़ा क्रेज़ हो गया है। अब सबको कन्फ्यूज़न रहती है कहाँ से पढ़ा जाए, क्या पढ़ा जाए। ऐसे में मैं एक चैनल रेकमेंड करना चाहूँगा जिससे मैं पर्सनली पढ़ता हूँ, मैं अपना नोट्स बनाता हूँ वहाँ से NCERT का। और कैरियर एग्ज़ाम नाम का चैनल है यूट्यूब पे, मोहन उपाध्याय सर उसको चलाते हैं, जो खुद भी UPSC की तैयारी करते हैं और कई परीक्षाओं में वो टॉपर रह चुके हैं। तो एक बार जाके देखिए, आप किसी की तैयारी करते हैं या आप 9 से लेकर 12 तक स्टूडेंट हैं, तो वहाँ आपको बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया मटेरियल मिलेगा। मैं पर्सनली सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि एक बार ज़रूर जाके देखिए। थैंक यू।
As a student, I would like to advise you to watch the video of career exams for your better knowledge, and prefers everyone to watch and ask and more people to subscribe and share. Thank you.